Last year I made 80 to 100, I think. This year I'm gonna see if I can make maybe 200 to 250. Hi guys, welcome back to another birthday countdown. Guys, it's 7 days to go for my birthday, and when you guys are getting this tomorrow, it's gonna be 6 days to go for my birthday. So right about now, I just want to thank you guys for your continued support, because of the support, that's the extra motivation, the extra kick that I need to do all of this. Anyway guys, so I'm just starting my day. As you guys know, I start my day bright and early. It's about 5 o'clock right now, and we're kicking it off. I have a full agenda for today, because last night before I went to bed, I went through all the stuff that I need to do for my birthday, because the days are coming quick. And guess what? When the days come quick, the money is needed. Money is needed. So I'm just trying to budget, make sure I'm on point, make sure that I'm not spending money that I'm not supposed to be spending, and so on and so forth. Yes, it. So the little man I tell on about the little man I tell on about, me have to talk patois. So if you don't understand patois, I don't know what to say. See the man, the homeless man over there. So I would show him on camera, but as me say, me no want spoil the man little thing when my bag on, you see it. Yeah, so I'm at school right now. I have 3 work plans that I have 2 labs today. First lab is gonna be 1 work plan needed, and the next one I have a final exam, practical exam. So yeah, so I have the practical exam one is more important, but also I have another lab in the morning. So I have 2 work plans, and then the next work plan that I have to write is I wrote it already, but I just need to rewrite it, make it look better, and that was from my previous lab that I have. So I'm gonna just push that to the side. Maybe tomorrow morning I can do that one, because it's due on Friday. So I'll just do that work plan tomorrow, and then focus on the 2 work plans for the exam and for the morning class. But as I was saying, guys, remember the homeless man that I told you guys that live on campus? I just saw him coming out of the bathroom wet. It's like he went to take a shower, or maybe he went to wash his face and his arms are wet and his face wet coming out of the washroom. But I don't know if he's 100% there or if he's not there. But every time you look at him, he look crazy, you know. So I was gonna say hi to him just now and try to reel him in slowly, because guys, this is a series. I feel like even after the birthday vlogs, I'm still gonna be continuing this homeless series that I have going on here. So I'm slowly gonna reel him in. I'm gonna just say hi to him one time, but I have to see if his head, like where his head is. I don't know where his head is. I don't know if he's crazy or what. I don't know what's wrong. But I would want to know the story. I want to know the story. I want to know. Call me curious cat. Call me whatever you want to call me, but I want to know the story. But anyway, I'm kicking off my vlog. I want to start my vlog so you guys know what I'm up to. But right now, I'm taking out my notebook. I have a notebook that I have all my plans written down in here. For the birthday party, I have a venue. And the venue, I already paid a deposit, so I have a balance left. So with that balance, I'm gonna get food, decoration, security, and whatever else. I'm trying to like spread out the money as much as I can. If money is remaining, let me see if I can maybe just put a few bottles on my tab so that I can have bottles for my table. And then I also want to make some extra food. I want to make curry chicken, curry goat actually, or should we do curry chicken? Now that I'm thinking about it, because that might be cheaper, curry chicken and white rice. But camera boss said he wanted to do curry goat and white rice. And then we also make some goat soup. But I'm saying, like, oh, we already have goat meat, why don't we just do chicken? I'm gonna ask him and see what he said. But I feel like chicken and the white curry chicken and the white rice would be perfect. And then we have the goat soup. So the goat soup, it not gonna really have no whole heap of food. It's just for people to drink if they feel kind of drunk and they want to, like, you know, get back to their self. That's just an extra thing to warm up the stomach. Or you drink some soup before you start drinking so that the rum not mash you up, you know. So we want to do extra food. The people at the venue, they are not Jamaicans. They're more like an Asian thing, so they don't really know how to cook our type of food. So the food that I'm doing at the party is gonna be basically like finger food, like little sliders, some chicken wings, sushi. What else was on the menu? Just finger food, like finger food. So something calamari. I want to do it different, you know, not the normal Jamaican food that we would rice and peas and whatever at the party. Then no, you know, we have to kick in our little flavor. So I'm gonna have the goat soup, the curry goat or curry chicken and white rice as extra food. And then I'm gonna do jello shots because last year the shots slapped. So I'm gonna do jello shots again. Last year I made 80 to 100, I think. This year I'm gonna see if I can make maybe 200 to 250 jello shots. And then I need rum for that. Ray and nephew rum is one of the strongest, so I'm trying to use the strongest rum I can. And then I like the little Malibu pineapple and coconut flavor that I also, you know, added to give the jello shot some extra little flavor. And then that's it for food. And then I want to do some activities at the party. I want to do like some dancing contest, so the man then we can dance and do the whatever nice moves. Them I will come out and do their moves and whatever, and then the girls them I will also dance and everybody compete, see who's the winner. Maybe there's gonna be a cash prize, maybe not. Let's see how that go. And then we're also gonna do birthday wishes, like if you want to say something to me, wish me happy birthday, whatever, you get the floor, you get the mic to talk and say what you have to say and wish me a happy birthday. And then next thing I want to do like a little karaoke vibe, so everybody can just sing, you know, just to make it little fun and nice. I don't want it to be like a club where you just come to the club, you dance and you go home. I want it to be memorable. I want it to be a place where people can just come and enjoy and have fun. I feel like this is gonna be my vlog today. Birthday plans. My vlog today is all about my birthday party and my birthday plans that I have. And you guys tell me what you think about those plans. Yeah, so that's it. Karaoke, dancing contest, and I also want to do the birthday wishes. Yeah, that's all the planning that's left. The best thing about this is that I never made my cake myself. I wanted to make my own cake. I wanted to test my skills and make a 3-tier cake for my birthday, but camera boss said hell no, because anyhow I try to take on that cake, it's gonna take up the entire time, and that's gonna be my only focus. So the best thing about this is I don't have to think about food, I don't have to think about decoration, I don't have to think about venue, I don't have to think about nothing. I could just go dress up nice and show up to the venue. Everything is gonna be taken care of by the venue people. So I love that I don't have to think about that at all. The other place that I was thinking of getting, they were telling me that, oh, I have to get my own bartender. Guys, I don't know any bartender. I don't know anybody that can work bar. Nobody. Maybe I would have to do the bartending myself. And what's funny in that, if I had to bartend at my own party. So I was like, you know what, that's kind of throwing me off. So at this place, I'm not worried about a bartender. The bartender, them already come with the venue. Everything is good. Everything is blessed. So yeah, that's it so far. I'm very excited, as you guys can tell. I'm just talking about my birthday preparations and what I think. Now the guest list, initially I wanted 30 people. The venue that I have is bigger than what I thought it would have been for the 30 people. So if I put 30 people in that venue, it's gonna swallow them up easily, easy. So I expanded it to 45. So let's see if 45 people will show up. I did invite a lot of people, some of my classmates, some people from campus, extra people. I invited a lot of people to the party. My co-workers, some of them are saying that, yo, when I leave work, I'm gonna come. When I leave work, I'm coming, because they might leave work at 1 a.m. so they might get there by 1:30. 1:30 party still a go on. So they're saying that, yo, may I leave work and come a party because it's a Saturday night. People have to work. Restaurant now go close down because it's my party. So a few of my coworkers already booked the day off. Who didn't book the day off, they're gonna work that night and then maybe leave work and come to the party. So coworkers, classmates, schoolmates, family, friends. I just want my birthday to be a memorable one. It's my 30th. It's a very special birthday for me. It's a very special milestone for me. And that's the reason why I am pushing out this extra effort to do all these extra things. And that's why I'm even talking to you guys. I've been talking for 11 minutes straight, guys. So I want this party to be very memorable. I want it to be one of the best days of my life. I want it to be memorable. So I wish everybody come out and support me, because what else can you do? You know, come out, show your support, and let's just have a good time, right? But anyway, I feel like this is gonna be the ending of the video though, because I spent 12 minutes talking about my party already. What else am I gonna add to this vlog? Maybe I'll make a separate video, a separate vlog, and maybe give you guys 2 videos in one day. But like, this is it. So what is under my nose? I'm out.
A few moments later.
So you remember that portfolio that I was stressing about yesterday? That portfolio that I took the entire day to do yesterday? I finally got my results. Chef market quick. I got my results. So let me show you guys. So for layout and design, I got, out of 35, I got 32, which is good. Required elements, out of 15, I got 12. And then I got, for recipes and method, out of 40, I got 32. And grammar and spelling, 10 out of 10. So my final mark is 86%. I was stressing out yesterday, but I'm happy now because I got a good mark. 86 is very good.